My name is Chad Creeden. I'm the General Manager here at Marco Roofing. What we provide is a quality product on repairs, re-roofs, gutters, and new construction at a competitive price. My father Mike started Marco Roofing back in 1975. I continue the lineage alongside my dad to this day. Here at Marco Roofing, we have a vast knowledge in various types of roofing. We specialize in tile repairs, clay tile, concrete tile. We also do gutters, standing seam, and asphalt shingles as well. Our average roofer in the field has an experience of 15 years plus. Our office staff and management has a combined total of 120 years plus. We're a member of the Associated Roofers Contractors Association. We've achieved the certification of Master Shingle Installer with certainty. Why this should be important to you as a homeowner is you can ensure that your roof is being put on properly. I think a lot of the homeowners' concerns would be overpaying and under-delivering. Here at Marco Roofing, you're going to be getting what you pay for, if not more. Our quality work, training, and education of our employees will ensure that you get what you pay for. We've been doing it right since 1975. Here at Marco Roofing, we actually have a brick and mortar office. When you call in, we actually have somebody that'll answer the phone and speak with you. Our vast experience at Marco Roofing sets us apart from everybody else. Not only do we know what we're doing, but we're going to be here for many years to come. If you're looking for a quality product at a competitive price with expertise that's superior to all, give us a call here at Marco Roofing.